Good morning, everyone. My name is Soumya Kumari.
My name is Rajasha Pandey.
Today we are making project in Adult Tinkering Lab. Our project name is
Smart Safety Helmet. Our project is Smart Safety Helmet. This helmet is designed to improve the safety of two-wheeler riders. It ensures that the rider wears the helmet, does not drive under the influence of alcohol, and receives help quickly in case of an accident.
So please tell me, Soumya, which types of components and sensor you are using for this beautiful project?
we have GPS tracker,
Okay,
SIM card, alcohol sensor,
okay,
IoT sensor,
okay,
breadboard, and much more sensor.
okay. Okay, so now tell me, how can we use your project in our daily lives?
This smart helmet is a life-saving invention that promotes responsible life and ensures faster rescue during accidents. Thank you.